Hello guys and welcome again. I'm come back with the TypeScript tutorial, and this topic is the union file, or the union type we call it. It's not basically file. What's wrong with me? Come on. So the union type. So basically the union type is a kind of concept you have to know in TypeScript, which is if you have working with some variable function or whatever you are working, whatever you operation you're working. So if you want to store more than one type annotation, for example, if I want to be my favorite house name or my favorite movie to be string, or to be a number within the same name, you can this union allows you that feature. For example, let my favorite movie is going to be a string, or this symbol, let me say like a number, union symbol. This is a union symbol, and you can say like you can assign whatever you want. For example, my favorite movie, for example, Spider-Man, and let me add a semicolon, and let me console out my favorite movie and save it, and let me run it, show you guys the what I'm working on. It says Spider-Man. Okay, so this is a string, so the Spider-Man is executed. So what if I want to change this to number? What will happen? There is no error. Okay, so I change this to there is no such kind of movie. I hope 1 2 2 3. But if there is a movie, great. So this is a number, and I try to run it, this code, save and run it again, this code. I hope this will be printed. Yes, successfully it is printed. So the basic idea is we have to union two annotations, a string or a number. You can change this to, for example, to boolean. I mean a boolean. Let me save it. And what if I want to change this to be true or false? For example, I set it to true, and again let me run the code, and if this code will work the same, and it says that it's true because I satisfy one condition. Think of like this if you want to understand easily. You know the OR operator works one condition must be true to be satisfied that condition. Okay, so this union operator works like that. Okay, this is not OR operator in other programming language. In C++, I think it is like this, but this is not OR operator, but understand it like union operator. But if you satisfy for your value to your annotation or variable, if one condition you assign, for example, I assign a true, this condition is true, or if I assign number, this going to be a number, one of them must be true, then you can work with this statement, and you can run and get whatever result you want. So this is very easy. I think this video is very short, but you have to know the union types. It works for not only variables, it works for function, it works for arrays, it works for different kinds of scenarios. I will show you in the future. So this is for today. Please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will motivate me to create more content like this, and like this video also, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.